Hello, this is a presentation of the third unit for the ninth grade of the Pioneer Prep School of Sfax pupils. This unit is about Internet services, in this case the FTP, the File Transfer Protocol, to be exact, downloading and uploading files. This presentation is made by Mrs. Imen Khayabaziz, so let's take a look at the objectives. The objectives. In the end of this chapter, you will be able to adopt a responsible attitude during the downloading operations, respect the rights of the private property, make a reflected choice during the selection of the data to be downloaded. The plan. First of all, we are going to start with a reminding of the Internet, its definition, protocols, NetFX, and some services. Second, we are going to see the downloading files, just like web page downloading, pictures downloading, and application downloading, and a little bit of mirroring software. Finally, we are going to see the uploading files. What is the Internet? The Internet is an international interconnected network which allows the exchange, send and receive information according to protocols. Protocols which are a set of universal rules for the exchange of information. The Internet is the biggest wide area network. One, it's made up of networks and subnetworks. It can be connected or linked by different types of physical links like optical fiber, coaxial cables, telephone line, satellite transmission, etc. The first picture is about a local area network, a LAN, local area network. It is limited in the area of the house which is connected to the Internet. To set up a local area network, the Declic family used their computers and in each one they installed a network card for the data transmission between computers. A concentrator, here a hub to connect computers and other devices like a printer or a scanner together through a physical link, here the RJ45 network cables, but it could be a wireless connectivity using, for example, the Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. The TCP/IP software to set up communication is already integrated in the operating system. But to set up an internet connection, we still need a modem, a communication system or physical links, like the phone line, the ADSL, fiber optical cables, network cables, satellite transmission, radio waves, etc. We also need a subscription to an ISP, an Internet Service Provider, and finally a browser, which is a software that displays information located in the World Wide Web. The first picture is about a local area network, LAN, limited in the area of a house which is connected to the Internet. To set up a local area network, the Declic family used their computers and in each one they installed a network card for the data transmission between computers. They used also a concentrator, here a hub, to connect computers and other devices like a printer or a scanner together. Through a physical link, here the RJ45 network cables, but it could be a wireless connectivity using, for example, the Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. The TCP/IP software to set up communication is already integrated in the operating system. What communication protocols means. Communication protocol is a system of digital message formats and a set of rules that define how computers communicate with each other across networks and how messages are exchanged in or between computing systems and in telecommunications. Protocols may include signaling, authentication, and error detection and correction capabilities. Here are some examples. TCP/IP is the set of communication protocols named from two of the most important protocols used for the Internet and other similar networks, the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and the Internet Protocol (IP). HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is a protocol for networked data. HTTP is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web, building a network by using logical links, the so-called hyperlinks, between the nodes, example text, words, buttons, pictures, etc. HTTP is the protocol to exchange or transfer hypertext. FTP is the File Transfer Protocol, the protocol for exchanging files used to transfer files, the uploading, which is sending, and downloading, which is the receiving files between computers. POP, Post Office Protocol, the protocol used when we receive an email. SMTP. SMTP means Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's the protocol used when we send an email. NetEthics or Netiquette is a set of rules, attitudes, and behaviors that each Internet user should adopt for mutual respect of persons and intellectual property. You also have to verify the cyber reputation of the source of information and whether the given information is correct or not. The cyber ethics means the respect of the feelings, of the property and rights of the others online. Cybersecurity. Make sure your computer has up-to-date security software and hardware to protect you and the other people with whom you communicate online from viruses and other online threats. Example of respecting intellectual property. You have to respect copyrights, so if people distribute programs without the author's permission, it is illegal. You have to mention the source of information, the webtography. Example of mutual respect of persons. You always have to use a courteous language and adopt politeness rules while sending emails or chatting with friends or making a statement on Facebook. Also, never provide private information about you or other persons without their consent to avoid physical or financial jeopardy. The online addiction. Beware that when text messaging, playing online games, chatting, or other online activities become more important than friends, family, or schoolwork, it may indicate an addiction that should be addressed immediately. Online privacy. Protect your personal privacy online to avoid physical or financial jeopardy. Children should never provide personal or financial information online without the permission of a parent or other trusted adult. File Transfer Protocol is an Internet service. It allows to copy and to transfer information like text, images, sounds, and videos online. In computer networks, to download means to transfer a file or a program from a central computer to a smaller computer or to a computer at a remote location. The inverse operation is called uploading. It means sending data from a local system to a remote system such as a server or another client. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is the Internet service that allows the transfer of files or programs from a distant server down to a local computer, or at the inverse sense by uploading them.